Hi, Azhar. How are you?
Hi ma'am, I am fine ma'am. And how are you?
Yeah, Azhar. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you ma'am.
Yeah, this is Megha from Quality Department. And introduce yourself.
My name is Asrar Mohammad ma'am and I am from RGM college from Andhra which is in Nandyal, Kurnool district, and I have done my civil engineering there. And in addition to it, now I have joined in CMTI for IDM course which is the interior designing course. Yeah, that's it about it ma'am.
Okay, Azhar. How did you got to know about CMTI?
Actually, my friend already got training here and he got placed from CMTI. So he referred me and I joined directly from with his reference, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Azhar. In CMTI, which training you have opted?
Uh, in CMTI, I got IDM course, ma'am. Interior
IDM.
Design Management, yes.
Okay. Can you explain what kind of training you got in IDM, Interior Design Management?
Yes, ma'am. In IDM course, we got training on how to use softwares like SketchUp, AutoCAD, and V-Ray for rendering, and about residential uh, interiors like kitchens, bedrooms, and TV units. We got training on that, ma'am.
Okay, Azhar. Can you say about your site visits, interior visits
Uh,
experience?
yes, ma'am. Sure. Uh, I went to site visits from CMTI reference like DMA to Creations and Home Lane, Design Cafe, Bonito, and we also went to IKEA also, ma'am. And site visits was very helpful and was to learn something about the materials and all that. And we also went to the green building site visit, Beery's green building, and it was also good, ma'am.
Yes, that was nice talking to you. And can you say about the CMT app features and all?
In CMTI app, there are a lot things to learn about, ma'am. Like there are videos and we got PDFs to see and to practice all that. In that we have also tests that we prepare and we can write test on that application. And we also have videos on IDM and CA construction management courses. So this is all about the CMT app.
And how was the trainer's support towards you?
Yes, ma'am. They are very helpful and they will help in in between if we got any doubts or difficulties while we are using the softwares or applications. They will surely help on that, and they were very helpful, ma'am.
Okay, sir. And how was Ashok's guidance with
Ashok sir's guidance was yes, ma'am. It was good, and he's always praising uh, he always supports and gives reference for the jobs and all that. And his support was good, ma'am.
you? Yes, that was nice. And say about like what did you learn there and what you have not learned in the college?
In college, there is no chance to learn about interior design courses, ma'am. There was only about learning in construction and structures, materials. And here I got to learn about interior designs and how the interior companies work and like all that I learned here, ma'am, in IDM course in CMTI.
Yes, sir. At last, how did you crack the placements? What are the tips for your friends?
Uh, Placements was like first we need to be confident and we need to know the how they ask questions and we need to be prepared how the questions will be and it will be easy to crack interviews after getting knowledge and preparing for the interview.
Yeah, that was nice. And could you refer your friends, juniors for the CMTI?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I will surely refer my friends and also my juniors also, ma'am, so that they
Yes,
will get.
yes, sir. All the best for the future.
Thank you.
Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.